Welcome back to another documentary, another sightseeing documentary to be exact. Today, we're looking into the home of the birds. The home of the birds is a place where birds roam free. And what are they? They are many, many things. But they are indeed birds. I really don't know what else to say about them. Because birds are just birds. But it is pretty to watch them go around. And then there's one bird who seems to be like a night fairy, hides in the shadows, but yet it never comes out. You can hear him squawking, but never see him. Who is that bird? I honestly cannot answer. Many people have their theories, but I just say he's a normal bird because he looks exactly like a plover, or as most people may know him, as the killdeers. Or even some describe him as a red-winged blackbird, but I don't think that's actually the case. Now, let's walk with nature and watch as we discover the home of the birds. A peaceful, quiet place, despite it having a gate around it, and despite birds every once in a while being aggressive, even though, as we checked before, no nests are nearby. And look, there is the king. That is the bird himself. The animal we've all been hunting at. And yet, nobody has really understood this creature. But as we simply learn, we must simply turn around. We must simply turn around before we disturb the creatures. Nature is a beautiful thing. And nature can always be a beautiful thing. Oh look, a nice little dragonfly scraping the light out of me. Isn't that perfect? And look, there went two dragonflies that had their own little thing. And look, that is the magnificent creature himself. There he goes. And I think one of his goons is coming back yet. May run! I do not want to be another part of this bird's hit list. Now excuse me while I run back and make sure I do not get attacked. Thank you very much. And now, this has been another day of the sightseeing documentary about the